So this is my old phone. I'm using Roblox. Now I will transfer this Roblox account to my new phone, and here's how to do it. So on your old device, open Roblox, and on your new phone, open Roblox at the same time. Tap on sign in. In here, select use quick sign in option. And now on your old Roblox, tap on more, scroll down, tap on quick sign in, and now we have to enter these 6-digit code from our new device. So I'm just typing the code, then tap on enter and tap on confirm login. As you can see, I've successfully logged into my Roblox account. Now if you want to remove your old device from your Roblox account, all you have to need, tap on logout, and then just tap on logout, and your Roblox account will be removed from your old phone. Thanks for watching.